Hey everyone, it's me. I'm back with another nail video, and today I'm trying a new brand. This is Adiption Nails. I think I said that right, Adiption Nails, yep. They're a local brand based in Perth. So I'll be using their dip colors today and their liquids where they have them. Otherwise, as I just showed you, I've got a Rossi builder gel on as well as the peel base. So let's start with applying the base colors. This is, I think it was called Don't Be a Duck Egg, which is this really cute blue-green kind of color. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So we'll start with that going on my base, and I'll be using a different color for my accent nail, or it's one of their glitter colors called Opaline, which is really pretty. Speeding through this, applying the Adiption liquids as per normal. I think I may have seen somewhere in their Facebook groups that it's better to do the pour over method, or they're also selling these pipettes or pipettes, not sure how you pronounce it, that kind of mimics a pour over method, so I might try that as well if the way I'm doing it now doesn't work. Just cleaning up my cuticles there. So there's the first coat done, and I think I did end up doing 3 initial coats for this color. I think it took me a while to adjust the liquids as well, because I think you'll see in some other bits of this video where there it is, the color the liquid kind of pulled up at the tips. Maybe I was applying it on too thick, but I never had that issue with the other brand that I use, so bit of a learning curve for me, and then I'll adjust that for the next time I use the liquids. That's alright though, it filed off smooth in the end. Just trying to see if I could get it to spread easier, but I think I just had too much on the brush probably at that point. And speeding through the third coat. The glitter that I was talking about is called Opaline, so I'm just having that as my accent now. So one thing I wanted to talk about with this, I think I did 3 layers of Opaline, and when I went in to activate, even after a few minutes, it took a while for it to kind of set properly. So as I was filing, it still felt quite gummy, so I had to wait a bit longer than I would normally with another brand. So I don't know if it just takes longer for the liquids to set. Yeah, I'll have to play around with it a bit more. And who else has done that? I opened this upside down, and that's not the first time. Oh no, that was the first time, but I have done that again with a different no, actually it was with the clear as well. I opened it upside down and everything dumped out. Lucky for me, in this one I had opened it over the cupcake holder. The second time I did it, I wasn't lucky and I opened it just on the table, so I lost quite a bit, but yeah, I'll learn not to do that next time. So, yeah, and I just put a bit of dusting of opaline on my middle finger and just on the side of my pointer as well. Yeah, that gumminess that I experienced, I did raise that in the Adiption Facebook group, and Jessica, who I think the owner is, suggested that maybe I wasn't leaving it on long enough between layers for it to dry. And that might be true because, yeah, I only did one finger in the glitters, and with the blue color, I didn't experience that gumminess, so maybe it was just, yeah, I needed to wait a bit longer in between before activating and filing. So there it is, all shaped, filed, a bit of cuticle oil as well. That's how it turned out. Overall, I really liked it. I'm just going to learn how to use the products a bit better, but yeah, I like it. Big thumbs up for me. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!